So I have a 2016 Mazda CX5 here, and it has an issue with this part of the seat. When you try to move it, it makes kind of a train horn sound, which is a funny feature, but it's not supposed to be like that. And thankfully it's a very simple fix. You just need this one part. It's the part number. It was like $5 plus $13 shipping, and it looks like this. So this is what it looks like under the seat, and you can see that part right here. So you just need to pull this out. It goes in on both sides, but it's bendy. So if you pull it up, it'll bend and come out. And then just put the new one in. That should be it. You don't have to disconnect anything. So I took off the clips. You can see right here, there's a clip here, a clip here, and that's the only thing that holds it in. So we pulled that out, and then it bends. So if you just pull it, and there it is. It came right out, and now we just put the new one in. So I have the new one here, and put one side in, and then gonna bend. I don't think you can see behind this, but it's the same thing on that side. Just bend it and get it in there. So I put the new one in and started the car. Now, let's see.
Wow.
There we go. No train horn.